Run and Gun Outdoors presents Sheepshead skull that you want. Here's the bones we're going to use. Fish before we boil. Then we're going to start the boiling process, just plain water. Here's some views of what it looks like during the process. Take it out. Stuff start breaking down. Here's the bones, residue, and then there's the peroxide. We're going to soak it in peroxide for at least 12 hours. Then here's some pictures of different assembling the parts. This is the 12 bones I used to put my skulls together. It's all you really need. Alright, y'all, here we are. We got all the pieces that we're gonna need for the skull. Once we get done, it should look like this. And put it up here where you can see it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to take this bottom jaw here, and we got it right here. We want to take these pieces right here that look like shark's teeth, I'd say, and they fit in the jaw like this, just like that. Got that? Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue gel right here and shake it up a little bit. So the first step going to be, I'm going to put a little bit in here around the edge, down in here. I'm going to do both sides because I'm going to go ahead and put these two pieces in. Okay. The top. This is the top jaw. Right here. It goes together like that.
Don't read that good book every day like I could.
On the bottom jaw and open it up. Well, we gotta let these dry and keep this from coming apart. So when that dries, I'll be back. Alright, that's about dry, so I'm gonna put a little bit of drop on here. Drop right here at this joint. Alright. Then once that's on there, I got me a lid to hold it up. So I'm going to let it dry for a while. Just so you see in that, this piece is right here. They go right here. This is where how I'm using these, is putting them in like right here. In here, and then I'll put the other one on the other side. It works out pretty good. Alright, some of that's dried. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take these pieces here, and they go like right in here, just like that. So it fits in right there. little glue on the other side. And we'll be back the next time. Alright, y'all ready to do another piece here? It should be glued up. And now we need to attach this here. You'll have to excuse the dog. So he likes to go outside and bark at stuff. I hold a little pressure on there. I'm gonna go ahead and start the film, and I'll be back when I get ready to do the next piece. A little dab-a-doo, a little on the tip here, a little bit right in here. So I like to hook that ball right there, and then down there, all the way down. Okay, we're down to the last couple of pieces here. Gonna put, I put a little glue on here. Hook this up. Let's put it. Alright, I'm gonna hold it up there for a little while, let it set. I'll be back when we do the other side. Okay, I just stuck the other side on there, right here, and got it propped up. So, this right here. This should be our final product. Good luck.